it are purely fictitious and does not resemble any person living or dead. If anything did, it's purely a coincidence. Sound check, check, check. Local boys presents skit. Channel V. Enjoy. Long time ago in the Bhutakala, there was a Kala when Bangalore was full of Paragala. So they all did all types of Hamra, Soma, Rama, Shama, Mama, Koma, Gima, Gima, Sima, Shima. Still no rain in the Bangalore. Frustrated with this, they all started to praying to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva appears. Damar, 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 damar. ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮಳೆನೇ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಶಿವಣ್ಣ. ಓ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಅಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಳೆ ಅದಾಗದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಸೆಂಟ್ 2009 ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ. There lived 3 close tight friends. Pandu, Pandu, Gandhi. They were VTU rank holders in the PA and got placed in an Ace company. Because of lack of basics and practical experience, they were kicked out of the company. Later, they decided to join the great MSRSS. अबे तुम्हें डर नहीं लगता? डर किसको नहीं लगता? मगर डर के आगे जीत है. Their first day in the college. टिक 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 टिक. Why late? सर राधा के घर गया था. किस लिए? हाँ सर बहुत सारे किस लिए? टिक 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 टिक. सर फीडबैक. एक बच्चा फर्स्ट टाइम में फीडबैक आ. ए मुझको बढ़िया. Boys, this finished your first module. All the very best for your assignment. Submit it on time. Sir. This is our first class, sir. How can we do the assignment, sir? There is nothing in that. Go for basics, study the physics, and explore yourself. One fine Saturday in the college canteen, a beautiful Nari wearing sari. Really, madam, in Sharabittu Hakuli. Chatter. Mama, one tooth okay, 2 teeth yake. वो आधा और गिस्टा गिला था सेरक वापस तक दे. chatter. Repeat. chatter. Repeat. chatter. Really, madam, ಸಾಕು. Don't worry ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ ಮಚ್ಚ. ಈ ಹುಡುಗಿರು BMTC ಬಸ್ ತರ ಒಂದೋದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿನಾ? ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ತರ ಒಂದ್ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ 4 ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. Frustrated with this, our Gandhi with lot of feelings goes to Mayuri and bought a full bottle and started drinking in the classroom. Suddenly, nowhere comes a principal. Full tension. Tick tick. खूब जमेगा रंग जब मिल बैठे थी तू मैं और Macha, what is this? Are these monkeys fighting? My God, senior, these monkeys are kissing. It is a zoo. Chatter. Hey, stupid. This is not a zoo. It's a circuit department. बच्चा किसी मूवी है तो देना रात को देखने के लिए। अबे रात भर मूवी देखेगा तो सोएगा कब? अबे डूड सुबह थियरी क्लास है ना। Our Gandhi was the leader for the group project. At the project exhibition, a reporter took his interview. Reporter, hello mister, what was your project? We converted a tractor into a truck. Oh, amazing. Can you please explain how you did this? We took the tractor which was already in the college and gave it to the Kalasipalya garage. After 6 months, we came up with a beautiful truck. Good. What kind of work you did in 6 months? Well, I collected the money from all the group mates and gave it to the mechanic. With remaining money, we went to some clubs, pubs, discos, Okay. What was your contribution? My contribution is I designed this t-shirt to wear on the exhibition. Well, thanks a lot. Congratulations, and you won the first prize. He took the first prize in the group project, but his happiness does not last longer. The module results came one after the other. He has cleared only one module out of 6. Frustrated with this, he committed suicide and went directly to the Yamaloka. Yama appears. Chitragupta, who is this? What are all his mistakes? Maharaja, sorry, Yamaraja. His name is Gandhi. He says, only good thing is he is a student of MSRSS. Student of MSRSS. All the sins are excused for students of MSRSS. He is free to go to heaven. Boss, Swargaloka lockout. No openings because of recession. Oh, what the fish? What to do? Boss, Mentos ko, dimag ki batti jagah. Idea, Mr. Gandhi, I'll send you back to the earth. You can continue your life as a student of MSRSS. No, Yamaraj, no. I can't go. I have failed in all the modules. It is impossible for me to clear all that. Son, I'll take care of that. You'll be passed in all the modules. Go back and have a rocking life in MSRSS. Our hero Gandhi came back to MSRSS. His results were changed from F grade to A grade. He got his degree and got a job in Past Tech and lived happily ever after. Moral of the story. MSRSS. इसको लगा डाला तो लाइफ चिंगारी. Santosh, Ajay, Puneet, myself, Arvind Bhaiya.
I'm a scat man.